And just like that, Langkawi, we are finally here. 3 days, one amazing island and zero stress. बस chill mode activate करने वाले हैं हम. We are at Langkawi airport, just doing the baggage claim. Langkawi बहुत गर्म है पा. Hotter than Kuala Lumpur, but yeah, let's just go directly to the hotel, see how things go. We'll try to be indoor until it gets evening and better, right?
Jump in the pool if it's too hot.
Yeah, it is very hot. But anyways, just doing the baggage claim. बैगेज क्लेम के बाद हम पहुंचे रेंटल कार डेस्क की तरफ. गाड़ी की चाबी भी मिली और गाड़ी भी साथ में, और हमने शुरू किया अपना डायरेक्ट रोड ट्रिप. गाड़ी चलाते हुए आइलैंड की फीलिंग आने लगी. लंकावी इज़ एक्चुअली सुपर पीसफुल. मेजॉरिटी मुस्लिम आइलैंड है, तो हर थोड़ी देर में बहुत ही प्यारी मस्जिद नज़र आती हैं. कल्चर बहुत ऑथेंटिक है और यहाँ के लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेलकमिंग हैं. प्लस लोकल चिल वाइब्स के साथ एक और मज़े की बात यह है कि लंकावी पूरा ड्यूटी फ्री आइलैंड है. लेकिन शॉप्स ढूंढने से पहले हमारी पहली प्रायोरिटी थी खाना. ट्रैवल करके पेट में फुल चूहे दौड़ रहे थे. रास्ते में हमें ये छोटा सा लोकल स्पॉट देखा, नासी लामा ट्रेडिशनल. और भाई यहाँ का सीन ही अलग था. प्योर ऑथेंटिक नासी लामा, 2 चिल ड्रिंक्स और पूरा बिल कितना? जस्ट 15 रिंगिट, यानी अराउंड 5 to 6 ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर्स. इतना सस्ता और इतना टेस्टी. पहला मील ही हिट हो गया. यार मतलब ये बहुत सस्ती जगह है यार. मैं फिर बहुत शुक्रगुजार भी होती हूँ उन लोगों का. I guess realize that every time I eat somewhere I'm like, always thanking them, and very, very nice because they respect you, they bring food for you, they're very generous to you, very sweet to you. So you should give out the same vibes out. Yeah. Now we are going finally to our hotel. अब पेट फुल हो चुका था, so we hit the road again, headed towards our hotel. And then 15 ringgit के lunch के बाद, we stepped straight into pure luxury. We checked into the St. Regis Langkawi, and oh my god, the road towards the hotel, the entrance, everything itself had a beautiful, luxurious vibe. The kind of place where you walk in and instantly feel like, okay, ab holiday officially start ho gayi hai. We checked in and then just sat back in the gorgeous lobby waiting for a room, soaking in every bit of that St. Regis magic. Oh my god, look at this, guys. How'd you find it? Nice? It is beautiful. Everything here is so luxurious. So lovely. We didn't have to do anything. They said, you just go ahead. We'll bring your bags. We'll park your car.
Take your bags.
Yeah, I'm be saying that.
Just give me your ID. We'll do your check-in.
Yeah, we'll do the check-in for you. Everything. So yeah, that's so cool. We're just resting there now. All good? Excited about it?
Yeah.
Thanks. Chale, drink piye? That's so nice. That's so sweet of them. What was this, Pa? What was the drink? No, what was the drink called?
I don't know, something he put so many things, but I know there's no alcohol in it.
How's it?
Nice.
There's no alcohol in it
No,
though.
he just, there's lime, it's kind of mix of juices.
Okay, let's have a try. The room itself was beautiful. It was a honeymoon suite with a personal pool. That's what we chose. Entrance pe hi, they had a long mirror where you could put your hats and your outside basket. Then on the left you have your bar, fridge and everything, and this is your lounge, so your sitting area where we found such beautiful art and whatnot. Then we entered into our bedroom where they had this beautiful setup for our honeymoon, as we were actually there for our honeymoon, and loved the vibe of this room. On your left, you would enter into your bath, where the best part was 2 vanities. One for me, one for Jack. We were actually fighting about who's gonna get which one. Anyway, the rest of it, there was a shower here and the toilet on the other side. And then I was trying to look for the toiletries, which I found them in this box. Beautiful. That was a mouthwash, actually. towels and everything, and the makeup mirror. Now going out, I found this beautiful outdoor arrangement with a personal pool, and which could actually become a jacuzzi as well. Absolutely loving the luxury and the vibe of this room. Yay!
We also have monkeys.
Oh yeah, they told us the monkeys come here early morning, so make sure you close your doors when you're going for walks, going for dinners, going, anywhere. Just leaving the room behind, just make sure your doors are closed, otherwise you'll have company in your room. And I was like, I'm not gonna get that done. Honestly, room देख के लग रहा था कि यहाँ से बाहर जाना ही नहीं है. थोड़ा रिलैक्स करने के बाद हम होटल एक्सप्लोर करने निकले. सराउंडिंग नेचर इतनी ब्यूटीफुल और क्वाइट थी, और हमने इवन क्यूट लिटिल मंकीज भी देखे रोमिंग अराउंड द ग्राउंड्स एंड द ट्रीज. सो फाइनली वी फाउंड अ Ramazan Bazaar here in Langkawi, and we're just going to show you guys around, okay? Let's go try a few food. हरी राया और रमज़ान का टाइम था, सो जैसे ही शाम होने लगी द होल आइलैंड वाज वाइब्रेटिंग विद एनर्जी. हम जब ड्राइविंग कर रहे थे तो हमें ये लोकल रमादान मार्केट नज़र आई. जैक ने बोला डेफिनेटली इट हैज़ टू बी द बजिंग स्पॉट राइट नाउ, सो लेट्स चेक इट आउट. वहाँ गए तो क्या कमाल फूड था. सो मच स्ट्रीट फूड, सो मेनी ड्रिंक्स, एंड पीपल वर डेफिनेटली रशिंग बिकॉज इफ्तार का टाइम होने वाला था. तो हमने भी थोड़ा बहुत कुछ ना कुछ ले लिया and tried the street food, the typical authentic street food of Malaysia, sitting in the car because already the market was closed because of Ramadan and iftar time. और बस फिर क्या, गर्मा गर्म स्ट्रीट फूड ट्राई करने के बाद हम दोनों इतना थक गए थे that we drove back to our hotel and just enjoyed the night by ourselves. Day 2 की शुरुआत हुई epic buffet breakfast. I have to say, St. Regis ka breakfast was one of the best that we have witnessed so far in any of the travel hotels that we've been to. Like, you guys will not believe, there was live nasi lama counter. They were even ready to make fresh roti john for you, which is basically a bun kebab in our Pakistan. Unlimited juices, unlimited salads, fruits, continental food, all kind of, sweets for you. Full indulgence. 10 out of 10 breakfast experience. जैक हमने रोड्स पे नासी लमा खाया है, अब हम 6-7 स्टार में नासी लमा खा रहे हैं. This is 95 ringgit. This is 95 ringgit. But it comes with the environment now. So what am I trying?
It's called lemang.
Lemang. Okay, and it's
Barbecued sticky rice in a bamboo.
In a bamboo. Okay. Let's try. So I'm using my old fork. I use that.
It's only available during Ramadan and Eid.
Oh, otherwise they don't make it. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Like it's not sweet. It's savory, but it's like very sticky, like a pancake. We had this roti john yesterday from a Ramadan market. Now Jack ordered roti john here, so try it out.
It's too fancy.
The fancy version of roti john. Try it out, buddy. खाने के बाद we walked down to check out the hotel beach, but plot twist, पानी गायब था. Full low tide scene. ऐसी बीच बिना पानी के हमने पहली कभी नहीं देखी. So pivot time, plan change. हम ड्राइव करके निकल गए for famous Langkawi Sky Bridge. पर मसला ये था कि आज था ईद का दिन, तो लगता है पूरे आइलैंड की पब्लिक वहाँ आई हुई थी. It was jam packed. जो जगह हम नॉर्मली आधे घंटे या घंटे में देख सकते थे, हमें वहाँ 4 से 5 घंटे लग गए. Yes. Finally, we are going to the Sky Cab, and then further we're going to go to the Sky Bridge, right? ऊपर जाने में बहुत वेट करना पड़ा, but once the cable car broke through the clouds and we stepped onto the bridge, that view made every minute of waiting totally worth it. We are here, top of Langkawi, right?
No, we've not reached the top yet.
No?
It's just the middle part.
Okay, let me show them. So we are here. So nice. ठंडी ठंडी हवा है ना? मजे की हवा है बहुत कम. कुछ मंजर आंखों से नहीं दिल से देखे जाते हैं. Standing here above the clouds with the mountains beneath me and the sea stretching endlessly ahead, it felt like the world had gone quiet for a moment. Langkawi Sky Bridge, ज़मीन से बेशक कितना दूर, मगर सुकून के बहुत करीब. कुछ सफ़र सिर्फ जगहें नहीं दिखाते, आपके अंदर कुछ बदल सा जाता है. Yeah, the bridge is actually moving with the wind. It's like boo. बस Sky Bridge देखने के बाद we decided to go back to our hotel and have dinner. पहले हम एक indoor restaurant देखने गए, but then we thought no, let's go check out the beach resort side because it was such a pleasant मौसम. And of course, why not have it outside? So yeah, we just went to this indoor restaurant that they had over the beach, and beautiful sea breeze, good food, late night vibes. पूरे दिन की थकान उतर गई थी. We're having a beach dinner. It's a buffet today, and it looks lovely. What are you having, Jack? Okay. So it's all Malaysian today. Yeah, I'll have satay and all that. It looks nice. What do they have there? What's that?
Grilled chicken and this chicken.
Like grilling it? Hi, is it a barbecue chicken? Is that charcoal?
Yes.
Is that charcoal? Like grilled?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah, chicken. Yeah. Yeah.
One?
Yeah, enough. I'm gonna try other food as well. This looks so nice. They have barbecue here too. Enjoying the beach dinner. How was the buffet?
It was alright.
Yeah, I didn't enjoy the
Didn't really enjoy much.
But ठीक था, मतलब ठीक था. Overall ठीक था. Experience अच्छा है.
The chicken, barbecue chicken that we did fresh.
Yeah, that was very nice. That was
The
yeah.
rest were a bit stale, I guess, a bit
अच्छा,
cold.
लेकिन ये बात मैंने यहाँ पे दूसरी रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी फील किया है कि इनको फ्यूजन नहीं बनाने आता.
I didn't know. They are trying.
ये लोग नासी लामा में ही बेस्ट हैं और लक्सा में बेस्ट हैं. But if you ask them to make modern food,
They are trying
maybe
to.
because we've tried already in Australia, so हमारे स्टैंडर्ड से थोड़ा सा डाउन है. कहीं पे भी, नॉट जस्ट सेंट वेजीज, कहीं पे भी मैंने जहाँ 5 स्टार होटल्स में भी किसी भी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाया, इधर फाइन लाइन में भी नहीं फ़र्क आया. सो या इट्स ओके, बट एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है. नाइस वेदर. चले शीशा.
शीशा चले.
अब हम जा रहे हैं शीशा पीने. मेरा बड़ा दिल कर रहा है. चले. Good. Finally found a shisha cafe. We went to the beach cafe. They said, oh, shisha's closed because Eid today. No serving shisha. So we are at the Yasmin Cafe somewhere in Chennai. पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं. Chennai beach यार.
You make me confused now. I thought Pad Thai Chennai.
Yeah, so we just found shisha and sitting here having iced lemon tea and his Moroccan tea. Day 3 started super slow and peaceful. Morning breakfast के बाद I went straight for a super relaxing spa session. Last day था, so a little self-care morning was much needed. Jack didn't want to join here because he said he's not a spa person, so it's okay. फिर हम ready हुए जल्दी से for a sunset cruise. Fast fact, ये बिल्कुल last moment decision था. हॉलिडे वीक की वजह से और रमज़ान की वजह से सब कुछ बंद था और सोल्ड आउट था। हमने जितनी कोशिश की उसमें हमें बस ये लास्ट स्लॉट मिला, हमने बुक कर लिया और बस पोर्ट कर लिया फिर क्रूज़ पे। लेट्स गो। ना ओशन में जंप मारना लुक्स सो सिनेमैटिक ऑन कैमरा, राइट? रियलिटी, पानी इतना सॉल्टी था कि मेरी आंखों में, गले में, हर जगह चला गया था। इट वाज इंस्टेंट रिग्रेट, बट मूविंग पास्ट दैट फेल, क्रूज पर buffet lunch was amazing. The live music, dancing, and the most unreal golden hour sunset over the sea. Oh my God moment. To be honest, watching this sunset, मेरे दिल में एक बहुत अलग फीलिंग आई। A few years ago, जब मैं डिवोर्स के फेज से गुजर रही थी तो मुझे लगता था कि शायद मेरी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो चुकी है। I never thought कि दोबारा कभी इतनी खुश हो सकूँगी मैं, या कभी ऐसी स्माइल दोबारा वापस आएगी। लेकिन अल्लाह के प्लान बहुत खूबसूरत होते हैं। उन्होंने मुझे एक बहुत ही प्यारे और केयरिंग हस्बैंड से नवाजा है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। ज़िंदगी में स्ट्रगल्स आज भी हैं, चैलेंजेस ख़त्म नहीं होते, लेकिन जब एक सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर आपके साथ खड़ा होता है ना, तो हर मुश्किल आसान लगने लगती है। Seeing where I am today, surrounded by so much love and peace, I just feel extremely grateful. Allah really heals what you thought was broken forever. And just like that, the checkout morning came. आज का दिन कुछ नहीं करना था मैंने, बस final quiet breakfast, just absorbing all the moments, all the energy from this place. And then we headed back to the airport. Airport में जाते ही we relaxed in the St. Regis Airport lounge before boarding, which was amazing. We had a little bit of food here as well. Langkawi was a total roller coaster of street food, luxury, holiday craziness, and ocean sunsets. Until next time. Thank you guys. See you soon with another vlog another time. Bye.